This latest chapter regarding this case began Monday morning with a back and forth between the Multnomah County Chair and the DA. She called for his office to release the footage, and he responded publicly as well, pointing out that she has the ability to share the video with the public. And Monday evening, she did. Monday evening, Multnomah County Chair Jessica Vega Peterson released two video clips from August 25th, each showing a different angle outside the Central Library before an alleged stabbing landed three young adults behind bars.
This was an attack by three individuals on a complete stranger in the middle of the day in broad daylight in public.
Prosecutors and police reports from 2 weeks prior claimed the 44-year-old victim noticed a disturbance after leaving the library and tried to intervene, yelling across the street in an attempt to stop it. Officers say one suspect stabbed the victim multiple times and two others attacked him with skateboards. They were arrested near Holiday Park soon after. But Chair Vega Peterson and Commissioner Shannon Singleton have called out police and the district attorney, claiming the surveillance video doesn't match the narrative. What was released Monday night does appear to complicate that narrative from Portland police. However, it doesn't capture the entirety of the incident, and there's no audio, leaving many questions unanswered. It shows four young people hanging out in front of the library for about 10 minutes with no indication of a fight or nuisance to those walking by. 11 minutes in, something across the street catches their attention, and it appears they begin to shout in response to someone. A man in a light-colored hat moves across the street and confronts one young man. Guards walk over and look as though they're trying to de-escalate. The victim walks back across the street, and a short time later, the video shows the group also crossing the street. A streetcar then blocks the view, and when it leaves, the scene becomes visible. The victim with the skateboard followed by a group with at least one of the suspects. The confrontation continues, although the guards head back towards the library. About 2 minutes later, the victim, it appears, crosses the street, then sits down to make a call. Portland police then arrive on scene. In a statement, the Multnomah County DA wrote, in part, "It is not the role of the district attorney's office to try criminal cases via press releases, headlines, or social media commentary. It is our responsibility to present evidence in a court of law where justice can be administered fairly and in a manner that protects the rights of the victim and the accused." He said the grand jury returned an indictment for the defendants after seeing all video footage. Alma McCarty, KGW News.